Pronouns in English by Guruji'S English. Do you think you have a good sense of English vocabulary? In today's lesson, we will learn about pronouns with some examples. One mark for each correct answer. All the best. He is running. The pronoun here is he. She is listening to music. The pronoun here is she. They are going to a picnic. The pronoun here is they. He is sitting on a chair. The pronoun here is he. They ate all the mangoes. The pronoun here is they. Who is there? The pronoun here is who. It is the most expensive phone. The pronoun here is it. We went to the mall. The pronoun here is we. She ate all the chocolates. The pronoun here is she. Whose books are these? The pronoun here is whose and these. How did you do? Leave a comment with your score. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe the channel. Press the bell icon to receive regular updates on our videos.